Listen, you ever hear that saying, I'll believe it when I see it? Do not do that with your goals. You got to believe it before you see it. Before you can even see your goal, believe it. Believe it's going to happen. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Jonisha. January 28th, 2023, I decided I'm buying my dream truck. So I had my car 86,000 miles, as you can see, since 2014. It had 6 miles on it when I bought it, brand new. So my car, like 9 years old, is still running good, but I really been wanting a Chevy Silverado for like the past 6 years, to be honest.
Black rims, though.
I got to see.
But this cheaper than that one now.
Yeah, it's cheaper.
Smell brand new. Plastic, it's got plastic on it.
Yeah.
And it got the what you call them too.
I like this center thing. I got to give a big shout out to my Uncle John. Every time I call him, he always there. Like, no doubts, no ifs in about it. Like, I was telling him, I'm like, Uncle John, I found the truck I like. What you think? I was going to get a used one at first, a 2020. And he was like, man, if you buy that truck, I'm going to steal it and throw it off the bridge. Because it was like the same price for the used and the new. He was like, you might as well get brand new, all warranty. And then you get less interest, lower interest rate on new versus used. You got your full warranty.
Stay on the road, the wheels stay on the ground.
Right. Yeah. That one got black with that.
John, how much you say you should be able to get that?
Ready for it?
50.
50.
$50.
Oh, I believe I got there Saturday around like 3 or 4 o'clock. I ain't leave there until night, and I could not take the truck home that Saturday because it literally was brand new. Like, they hadn't even put it through the inspection or nothing like that. Like, they still owe me parts to put on my truck, to be honest, and not I had the truck for like 3 weeks. So that Monday, they told me I could pick up the truck. Now, here's the thing. I told them around 3 o'clock I was coming to pick my truck up at 7 when I got off of work. I'm like, okay, I'll be there around 7 to get the truck, make sure it's ready. What's up, y'all? So I'm waiting to get my new truck. It's gonna be a Chevy Silverado 2023, baby. They just gave me my tag. I am so happy, y'all. Like, this is the day I've been dreaming of, like, forever. I'm so happy. Like, I can't even wait. I'm just nervous, shaking, because it's been, like, a long time coming. For real, for real. The dealership, waiting and waiting for the bill. Hopefully I get to ring that bell. We gonna see. It's all ready.
It's almost cleaned up. So once that, we put take it in, right?
Okay. Y'all, I cannot wait to get this truck. Oh my God. So they cleaning it or whatever they doing. They knew damn well I was on my way. I told them around 3 o'clock I'll be here at 7. So we just waiting. Oh my gosh. I'm like so ready to go. Like, this shit should have already been done. Like, what the hell is taking so long? I'm ready to go. There go my baby right there. Okay, I can kind of see it over there. So at this point, I'm like, what in the world is going on? Like, it's 8 o'clock. I got my baby in the car. My boyfriend ready to go home. Hell, I'm ready to go home too. Like, this a work week. So at this point, I'm like, okay, Jonisha, just stay calm, girl. Just stay calm. Like, why are they just washing this truck? You know, like, what is really going on? Like, I told you, you knew I was coming since Saturday on Monday at 7 o'clock. Come on now. But I was so happy, like, about getting this truck. I ain't even care.
It's nice. It's sexy. I'm gonna fill that thing up.
Now, this shit should have been done.
I see it. Yeah, I see it. What happened? Somebody, it took long for them to give it to PDI. PDI when they check everything. Remember how I had the seat
So,
cover?
what about the rails that's supposed to be on the step rails?
Yeah, you probably come back to that. Because the thing what he was saying that the PDI, that's what I'm saying, PDI, that's what they do with PDI. PDI took too long today, so they couldn't even do that. And then that's why I was mad. I said, I was off today, you know that. My man told me you need to wear a shirt. I had to go back home, wear a shirt, just to act like I worked today.
Right.
It's crazy. So, once
So
this time...
why I gotta come all the way back?
Yeah, because they didn't put the rails on it. PDI not supposed to leave a car without them rails. You get me? Remember what the manager was telling you? And then
Yeah, but I don't wanna take the car and they be like, oh, we didn't say we was gonna put rails on it.
no, they gonna
I need something in writing with that.
yeah. I got it.
Now, one thing about your girl Jonisha, I'm about my business, and I know about business. Give me something in writing. Look how good that damn truck. Oh my goodness. When I tell you this is my dream truck, like I literally been praying for this, been working hard, been saving everything, and I deserve it. Like I deserve it. I deserve everything God has for me. I ask for, God is going to provide, period. And if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you came to this video to get specs and all that stuff, I'm telling you right now, this is not one of them kind of videos. I don't have no info. You know, I watch a whole bunch of YouTube videos like y'all, but I just wanted to show y'all my truck. I will put the information in the description box below. But this is a RST Chevy Silverado 2023. It had 3 miles on it. The MSRP was about $59,000. Once you add all the taxes and fees and stuff like that, that junk ran up to about $70,000. So they told me they gave me a little discount if I finance with the dealership. So they gave me a little discount. So they took off like $5,000. They say, you know how that go. But I'm happy with the purchase. You know, I'm starting all over because I was not trading in my car. I haven't had payments in like 5 years. Well, maybe 6. So anyways, at this point, he got to go fill up the tank.
Go.
So you'll have longer time to have all the safety and emergency services. And at the end of the trial...
So at this point, it's 8:30. Y'all seen what time it is. So I'm ready to go. Like, for real, I'm ready to go. But we had to set up the OnStar and all that stuff like that. Like, the truck got Wi-Fi, all kind of stuff. I'm going to give y'all more details on the truck when I have the time. And I'm still learning the truck, too. Like, I really am still learning. So this me, you know, driving it for the first time. Mind you, I did not get to test drive this truck, but I test drove a different one, which is similar. Because, like I said, the truck, they had literally took it from the back, and it wasn't, like, inspected by the IQP, TEB, whatever they call. This is a big boy engine. When I tell you, like, my car is so slow. You press the gas, you don't even be knowing you going that fast. Like, it's no pressure for this truck, and it's so quiet. But when you hit that gas, you hear that power. Like, that's what I always wanted. Oh my gosh, y'all, God will always provide. Never lose your faith. Like, them people didn't even ask me for no proof of income, nothing. They just ran my credit. That's why I take my credit very serious. Like, people, y'all gotta take credit. Credit is everything. You never know. God gonna bless me to pay this truck off within this year. 2023, this truck gonna be paid off. I'm gonna speak that thing into existence, baby. Yes! I'm just enjoying the ride, for real. Trying to figure out. Oh, is this the button? Oh, okay. Got some bird shit. No, the bird got me. Alright, let's do it one more time. Alright, it's almost gone. So at this point, I done had the truck for about a week, and y'all already know what time it is. It's Amazon time. Let me go ahead. Don't judge my grass either. It's been hot. I don't know what's going on. I gotta water it. But yeah, I had ordered me some little accessories, and you know, Amazon always come through. They don't always do you right. These are the accessories that I got for my truck. Okay, so this right here, and I'm gonna block it. This right here, this is like a big ass scrunchie, but it goes here. Right? I don't know if I'm gonna like this. We gonna test it out. What Amazon give you 30 days? I think it gotta grow on me.
That's cute. Different.
It gotta grow on me. And then I got this because with these trucks, it doesn't have a light on the mirror. So I got this. So hopefully this is the right size, cause so at this point I'm just, we about to go to the swap shop to get some tints done, but I'm over here like, oh, let me try to put my little accessories on and stuff like that. I didn't like the fact that the Velcro thing was white, but I was like, okay, whatever. Now the thing, I was like, damn, this truck don't have no lights. When you try to when you looking in the mirror, your light supposed to come on in the car. Like, I don't know, the truck didn't have no lights. So I was like, wow, what they expect? Just mans to look in the mirror? They don't need a light. I need a light. So I ordered this light off of Amazon. And when I tell you this light is everything. This light is everything, okay? I love it. I didn't like the fact that the ropes was white, but I'm like, that's okay. Nobody ain't gonna really see that. And I look a mess, y'all. That's okay. I look a mess. I ain't gonna lie, I done put on a lot of weight too. Like, I know it. Y'all ain't gotta tell me. I know I got a double chin coming in. I got an extra roll already there and arrived, signed, sealed, and delivered. Like, I already know. But I'm gonna work on it. And another thing, I don't need y'all to remind me like, oh, you say that all the time. It's my weight I'm carrying. Let me be great. Okay, period. So this steering wheel thing, I really love it. Like, I really did like it, but this is not even damn safe. Like, when I order stuff, I like to read the comments, the descriptions. That steering wheel cover is not safe, boo. Like, that thing be moving while you driving. I'm like, why did they put in the description basically like it's grip proof? Like, what the hell? So these the other little accessories. I don't know why I paid $50 for this. I should have just ordered it like separately with the stuff that I actually need, because I didn't even use half the stuff in the box, to be honest. But I like the black out diamond, like, the black diamonds. I don't really too much. The white diamonds is real cute, but for me, I wanted the black diamonds. Purple is my favorite color, but I was like torn. Do I want to do purple on the inside or black? But I kind of went with the black. So at this point, me and my cousin, we trying to figure out what is what. But I'm like, damn, we need to go because it's getting like late in the day and we need to get to the swap shop. We already gonna be there. Like, let's just go. We'll do this later. Boom. Now, if you ever been to the swap shop, you know how it goes. As soon as you pull in, they already flagging you down. Hey. So I needed my tints, the 2 front windows tinted, because the windows was already tinted, but the dealership don't tint the 2 front windows. And I wanted my little script in the top. So we started at the beginning when you first come in. The one guy, he was like $300 for the 2 windows to be tinted, the script, and I needed lights. Then one guy was like, oh, $250. Then the other guy was like $200. This last guy, these Chicos right here, they was like $150. I was like, y'all got me. That's what's up. Let's go. And the thing about it, I had already ordered my own lights off of Amazon. They was like $25. So I was prepared. Like, I already knew what was up. So yeah, they putting my script on. At this point, we ready to go. My cousin got her baby. I got my baby. I'm like, pull that script a little bit down, line it up with that thing. But they got me right. Like, to be honest, these people, they about their business. They fast. They did that jump real fast. Like, we literally walked in the swap shop, ate, and walked out, and they was like almost done. They was done, actually, but I had wanted to add the script. And they was like, okay, we'll add it real quick. Like, they had already did my tints. So the guy, I had asked him if he could screw my blacked out plate on. I thought he forgot about it because he disappeared. But he went to go get a screwdriver and he actually screwed it on for me. I was like, yeah, that's extra points for you. Like, he really came back and did extra. He gave me extra wires and stuff that I ain't even pay for. Like, that's what's up. Like, people really appreciate your business. They'll go above and beyond, and then they don't try to rip your head off. Like, you'll keep coming back. So the tints that I got was 20% to match the dealership tints. Like, I ain't want to get, like, my car, I ain't gonna lie, my car got 5%. And that night, I could barely see out them damn tints. I ain't even gonna hold you. So yes, honey, these my lights. My lights I ordered off of Amazon. They turn different colors, but of course mine has to be purple because that's my favorite color. So I love the fact that the key starts the car like with the click of a button. My mama truck did that. She had a GMC Sierra and her truck did that. We love that feature, like we really did. So of course I am inspired by my mom. So I want to be a truck driver just like her. As y'all see, I did change that steering wheel cover because that junk was not safe. But I love this little fluffy one. Oh, this is my first time filling up the tank in the truck. It was like right under like, you know, that quarter mark, like a little bit under there. Said I had like 80 miles left. So I said, okay, let me see how much it's gonna cost me to fill up my truck. So at this gas station, the gas was $3.19 a gallon. I had just filled up my car like last week in Pembroke Pines, so that my junk came up to $52. So I was like, okay, damn, I know this truck gonna run me about 100. But surprisingly, like it only cost me $57 to fill up the truck. And I think it was because the gas was a little bit cheaper in Fort Lauderdale where I was at. So, you know, I ain't gonna complain about that. And the engine is a V8 engine. So I was like, ooh. So if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this, please comment below. And thank you so much for watching. Peace.